No, that's yellow. That's blue. How about red? Where does the red one go? Good job. How about yellow? No. That's yellow. Where does yellow go? Good job. The green one? Will you show me where green goes? Good job. Let's do blue. Where does blue go? Where does blue go? You ever do blue? Okay. Where does yellow go? Yellow? Good job. One more yellow one. Go lay down, this one. How about purple? Can you show me where purple goes? Good job, Emmy. How about a red one? Can you show me where red goes? And then, how about another red one? What'd you do? You wanna do it again? Alright, why don't you give me a yellow one? That's a blue one. Good job. Can you pick up another blue one?